Hello everyone. So in this video we will be seeing about some of the types of sensors. So there are wide variety of sensors available, but in this video only we are going to see about light sensor and Hall effect sensor. So these are two types in which we are going to see in detail about. First we shall see about what is a light sensor. So light sensor, it is a sensor device. It is a device which is used to detect the presence of a light. So there are different types of light sensors such as photocell, photoresistor, photodiodes are being used in manufacturing and other industrial applications. So this is a diagrammatic representation of a light sensor. So for example, the photodiodes. So it consists of a conducting resin, electrodes, ceramic substrate, resin encapsulation and a lead wires, which helps in detecting the presence of a light. So if we take about the applications of this light sensor, it is used in computers, wireless phones and televisions. Use ambient light sensors to automatically control the brightness of a screen. Barcode scanners used in retailer locations work using light sensor technology. In space and in robotics, for a controlled and guided motions of vehicles and robot, auto flash for camera, industrial process control. So these are some of the applications. So by reading these applications itself, we can know that in our day-to-day life we are using this sensor. So when we go for a shop, they used to scan the barcode with the help of a barcode scanner, which is also a application of a light sensor. Daily we are using computers, televisions, everything. So everywhere this light sensor is used. So the next one is about photodiodes. Photodiodes, it's a type of a light sensor where convert the light into either current or a voltage. So this photodiode, it converts the light into either of current or voltage. These are regular semiconductor diodes, except that they may be either exposed to detect vacuum, UV or X-ray, or packaged with the opening or of optical fiber connection to allow light to reach the sensitive part of the device. So this is a photodiode, and you can see anode PN junction. Since it is a semiconductor device, there is a PN junction along with the silicon nitride coating. So the next one is about the applications of a photodiodes. So if you take about the applications of photodiode, it may be a light meters, automatic shutter control, autofocus, photographic flash control. And in the medical industry, it may be of CAT scanners, X-ray detection, pulse oximeters, to measure the oxygen level, and blood particles. And if we take about the industrial applications, it is used as a barcode scanner, light pens, brightness control, encoders, position sensor, surveying instruments, copiers, the density of the toner. And if we take about the safety equipment, it is used in the smoke detectors, flame monitors and security inspection equipment. So these are some of the applications of photodiodes where it is commonly used. And the next one is about the proximity sensor. So proximity sensor, in which we will be seeing about the eddy current proximity sensor. So this proximity sensors, it is actually used to detect the presence of object without any physical contact with the object. So they are solid state electronic devices which are normally of eddy current type or inductive capacitive type. So proximity system tells the central system whether it is moving at a certain place or not. It may be used mostly of a non-contact type. So in which we will be seeing about the eddy current type. So if we see about the eddy current proximity sensor, it is working when an alternating current, AC current, is supplied to the coil. So this is the coil present over here. When the current is passed to it, if there is any metal object closed, so if there is any target placed over here, the magnetic field produced will help in detecting the presence of the target. So when a current is passed through it, it produces some magnetic field which helps in identifying the target. So this is about the eddy current proximity sensor. So when we look about the applications of eddy current proximity sensor, it may be an automation requiring precise location, it in machine tool monitoring, final assembly of precision equipment such as disk drives, measuring the dynamics of continuously moving targets such as vibrating element, drive shaft monitoring, and vibration measurements. So these are some of the applications of eddy current proximity sensor. So the next one is inductive proximity sensor. And inductive, so this is the arrangement of inductive proximity sensor in which the coil it consists of a coil wound around a ferrous non-metallic core, a detector circuit, and a solid state output. So with the supply voltage, the oscillation circuit is here. So this oscillator, it produces a high frequency field. So a high frequency field is produced which strikes on the target material, and it detects the presence of the object. So previously in eddy current, when an alternating current is passed to the coil, a magnetic field is produced, and that magnetic field, it helps in identifying the target. So in an inductive proximity sensor, the current is supplied to the coil, and it produces a high field of high frequency, and that frequency, it helps in identifying the target. So when we take about the applications of an inductive proximity sensor, it is used for counting products during production or transfer, and in security purpose, the detection of metal objects, arms, landmines, etc. So the next one is about optical proximity sensor. So this is a schematic representation of an optical proximity sensor, which helps in identifying the object by rotating the shafts. So there are light emitters with various holes, something like a gear arrangement, gear in an arbor. So this light emitters and detectors are help in the presence of identifying the presence of an object when the disc rotates. So the next one is about the Hall effect sensor. So the next sensor is about Hall effect sensor. So this is a type of a position sensor which is used to determine the position of an object with reference to some common point. So to brief about that, they are given a metallic strip in which the current is passed. So when a current is passed, a magnetic field is produced, and this is how the sensor is determining the position of some object with reference to some reference point. So first, what is a Hall effect? Hall effect is nothing but when a current is flowing through a conductor. Consider this as a conductor. When a current is flowing through it, such as beam is deflected by magnetic field, and this is called as Hall effect. When a beam of charged particles passing through a magnetic field, the beam is deflected from its straight line path, and due to the forces acting on it. So we can consider a metal strip conducting materials carrying a current in the presence of a magnetic field. So due to the presence of the magnetic field, some beams are produced in it. The current is passed through the due to the magnetic field. Leads a magnetic field, the voltage difference occurs, which helps in placing the object. So this is about the Hall effect sensor. And if we take about the applications of Hall effect sensor, it is used as a magnetic switch for electric transducer. It is used for the measurement of position, displacement, and proximity. It is used for measurement of current. It is used for measurement of power. So Hall probes are often used as magnetometers. That is to measure magnetic fields or inspect materials such as pipelines using the principles of magnetic flux linkage. So this is about the Hall effect sensors. So these are about the types of sensors. Thank you.